Digital HACCP project is about shifting the way that we are doing the food safety risk assessment, going from a manual and fragmented way of working to an embedded digital platform. I'm Astrid Jacomme. I'm product owner working at Nestlé in the global IT team. In a company as Nestlé, with more than 350 factories across all around the world, with very different categories from nutrition to pet care, I think the biggest challenge has been to bring all of this data together in a structured way. What we really think is that digitizing paper is not unlocking all the values of data. We work on a very, very strong backbone. We have HACCP standard in Nestlé, we have one global way of working, but letting some control, flexibility to adapt to local needs. So that's why we really spend time to reinforce and to develop a strong data model to make sure that then this data were allowing automation, comparison, analytics, and all this added value that we can find in the system. In practical terms, real-time means that our users of digital HACCP are seeing the most updated information in the system. And this is key because it avoids, let's say, manual corrections, right, or manual adjustments. But I think that team talent is still at the core of our vision. What we have to bring is the proper tool to make them better professional. The collaboration with Veeva has been very inspiring, looking forward, and very open-minded. I like the way that we have worked as a collaboration together, like always looking for the moonshot, open to finding new ways of working, new strategies, and going, yes, everybody, Veeva, Nestlé, a bit out of our zone of comfort. I think one of the win battle that we had really was about integration, to make sure that users have the most updated information in their HACCP study in a very smooth and agile way, just 2 clicks ahead, but behind it's a lot of operations going on. Where we see as Nestlé the AI tomorrow for food safety risk management, probably predictive food safety risk management, right? To help the user to take better and faster decision, data-driven decision in our food safety risk management.